Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Brevo and Omnisend, two of the most popular email and SMS marketing platforms for e commerce brands and growing businesses. I'll break down their features, user experience, automation tools, integrations, pricing, and more. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform makes the most sense for your marketing needs. Now, listen, before we get started, if you are new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You will also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. To begin, let's look at the overall difference between the two. Brevo is a complete marketing suite. It covers email, SMS, WhatsApp, chat, and CRM in one convenient place. It is actually known for being simple, affordable, and easy to use, which makes it a great fit for small businesses that really are they're looking for a single platform for all of their communication. Omnisend, on the other hand, is built specifically for e-commerce automation. It focuses on helping online stores increase revenue with smarter workflows, personalized product suggestions, and stronger sales analytics. So while both tools can handle email and SMS, Brevo is more of an all-arounder, and Omnisend is more specialized for e-commerce brands. Let's move into the features. Brevo gives you email marketing, SMS messaging, WhatsApp campaigns, marketing automation, landing pages, segmentation, transactional emails, even a simple built-in sales CRM. You can also use their live chat widget to talk to website visitors. Their automation builder makes it easy to create welcome flows, abandoned cart messages, and nurturing sequences without any technical skills, really. Omnisend, however, is designed mainly for online stores. It comes with very powerful e-commerce workflows that are ready to use, including welcome series, browse abandonment, cart abandonment, and post-purchase sequences. You also get dynamic product recommendations, predictive segmentation, and deeper A/B testing options. These features make Omnisend especially strong for Shopify, WooCommerce, or big commerce stores that want to automate more revenue without manual work. Let's take a look at the user experience. Brevo really tries to keep things simple. The layout is clean, the tools are well organized, and beginners can really understand the platform pretty quick. It feels like a calm workplace that helps your team stay organized. Omnisend also has a friendly interface, but it's more polished for e-commerce users. The templates look modern, the automation builder feels smooth, and the analytics dashboard really gives clear insights into where your revenue is coming from. Both platforms are easy to use, but Omnisend really gives deeper sales data for businesses that want to track performance closely. Now let's talk about integrations. Brevo connects with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Stripe, Zapier, Facebook ads, and many other marketing and CRM tools. It works well for general businesses and service-based brands. Omnisend's integrations are more focused on e-commerce, especially Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Wix, and Magento. These integrations go deeper and often sync data more accurately because Omnisend is built specifically for online stores. If you are on Shopify, Omnisend's integration is one of the strongest in the industry. Now let's quickly compare pricing. Brevo has 4 plans. Starter begins at $9 a month. Standard is at $18 per month. Professional starts at $499 per month. Enterprise does exist, but it offers custom pricing, so you'll need to contact sales. Omnisend has 3 plans. Their standard plan begins at about $11 a month. Pro starts at around $41 a month, and they also have a custom tier for high volume e-commerce brands. So, which one should you choose? Good question. If you want a simple and affordable marketing platform that covers email, SMS, WhatsApp, chat, CRM, and all of it in one dashboard, Brevo, it's the better option. It's perfect for small teams, service-based businesses, and really anyone who wants multi-channel communication without spending a fortune. But if you run an e-commerce store and your main goal is automated revenue growth, Omnisend is the good choice. If you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use the link below. It gives you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 90 days. And it also unlocks a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform. All right, that brings us to the end of this comparison. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.